It's light. Oh my god, what did I do? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I hope this is okay. 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 Oh boy. Oh. Okay, so my hair is pretty dirty, so we're going to start. I want to do a test because I want to test exactly how I want to do my hair. I'm thinking about doing the dark brown at the roots and then the honey blonde at the rest of it. So we're gonna see how this all is going to work. Okay, I don't know if you guys can tell by the light, maybe it's just the lighting of my bathroom, but my hair is kind of a weird color. Like it goes from like dark brown to a really weird light brown, so I want to kind of switch it up. So right now I'm just gonna take, I had braids in, my hair is dirty. I haven't washed it in a while because as you guys saw before, my hair was straight and now it is not. Now I'm going to put some leave-in conditioner around the edges of my head because I want to protect it from getting stained. Eee. Okay, step 1, easy preparation. Put the gloves on provided. Oh, these are actually like high quality gloves. Okay guys, second step. Remove and discard the application tab on the tip of the color activating cream bottle 2. Discarding this box. I'm very clumsy. Okay, unscrew the application bottle if using blonde shade with booster. What? Okay, so I'm reading the direction. Everything is pretty straightforward. Okay, so it says basically you have to unscrew this. Add this. It says to put in this booster pack. Oops. I spilled a little. I'm nervous. Okay, so oh shit. That was not supposed to happen. I didn't say shit about that. Alright, well, we're gonna mix this up. Okay, so this is our light brown and this is our honey blonde. We're going to start. Scared. We're gonna just get right into this and see what happens. these gloves in this box, and this is going to be in my hair for 15 minutes, and then I'm going to put the brown coloring in and let that sit for 15 minutes. And then we're going to see how this all comes out. I put a lot more dye in this, so hopefully this works better. I'm gonna put a shower cap over my head and see you guys in 15 minutes. Okay, so the 15 minutos are up. I don't know. I see a little bit of that. So, okay, so right now we're going to go in with the brown. Oh, it really is. Oh boy, I see it. Wow, my hair is really dying. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Wow, it's dying. I'm so excited. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the brown dye on my roots and stuff. Let's take this the same way that we did it before so nothing gets messed up. Take this. Oh, my camera was dying. I'm gonna go in my roots. So now we're going to wait another 15 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna put this in my head. Huh? Oh. And then we'll see how this clean up. But yeah, it's definitely dying, so I was scared that it wasn't gonna die. Sorry guys, I was running up the stairs. Okay, 15 minutes are up. So now, I'm gonna wash this out. Wow, oh boy. Okay, so I'm going to wash this out. It said to rinse it with warm water until it goes clear, and then shampoo, and then use the conditioner. Huh? What'd you say? What? Yes, you can. So So it came with this it's just a conditioner, but the videos that I was watching said that she left it in for like 15 minutes instead of the 2 to 3 that it said. So that's what I'm going to do. And then we're gonna see how this hair turned out. I'm gonna look crazy. What the heck? Oh. Okay, yeah, so this is how the color came out. So you know when I said I wanted that ombre effect? Well, I really did, but I didn't anticipate how short ombre, how abrupt ombre would look on short hair. So like you could see that it's like, I should have did more of the honey brown up here so that you can tell that it's there, because right now it's just on the ends when you look at it from the top, but when you look all throughout, it's kind of like all throughout it and everything like that. But I think in a couple weeks I'm going to make all my hair the honey brown, and then after that we'll see how I like it. But yeah, the process was a lot easier than I thought. It didn't burn, there was no ammonia, it was pretty straightforward. You just have to be careful with getting on your hands or getting in your eyes. I definitely would do it again. All of the my lips is dry. All of the things that I used today will be in the description box below. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see how all the hair looks.